Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today I want to share with you how I use strawberries to make these delicious sweet and savory chicken wings. Start with clean and pat dry 1 pound of chicken wings. Evenly coat the chicken wings with aluminum-free baking powder. I learned people with sensitive taste buds may be able to detect a metallic taste from baking powder that contains aluminum, so you decide whether aluminum-free baking powder is right for you to use. The baking powder will draw out the moisture from the chicken wings and also to help the sauce to stick to the wings. This will make my chicken wings saucy but not soggy. This piece of aluminum foil will help me to clean up faster and easier later. Place a baking rack inside the baking sheet. Brush or spray some oil on the rack. Brush a little bit of oil on the top of the chicken wings to help them brown in the oven. Bake the wings in a preheated oven at 450 degrees on the middle rack for 15 minutes. While the chicken wings are baking, time to make the sauce. Here are strawberries, sugar, soy sauce, onion powder, grated ginger, lime juice, and black pepper. Puree them together in a blender. This will make about 2/3 cup of sauce. Put 2 tablespoons of the sauce in a separate container for the semi-cooked chicken wings. This way we won't cross-contaminate the rest of the sauce that we will need for the fully cooked chicken wings. After 15 minutes, take the wings out of the oven, flip them over, and brush them with oil again. Then bake them in the oven for another 15 minutes. When ready, take the wings out of the oven and flip them over again. Now, brush the chicken wings with those 2 tablespoons of the strawberry sauce. Doing this will allow that sweet and savory flavors to really get into the wings. Put them back into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes until the chicken wings reach internal temperature of 165 degrees. See how golden brown these chicken wings are? Toss them with the remaining strawberry sauce. Look at these wings. They're juicy and flavorful, perfect for your party. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Happy eating and see you next time.